Here's your dog treat. Here you go. Here's the box. There's still more in there. Oh, thanks. Good boy. Yummies! Yay! Oh, I'm like that. I need a plate with that. Now I'll just rather stick my hand in there and grab random. I guess I'm just gonna have coffee. Tell me when my coffee's okay. Hello, girls. I'm gonna eat peanuts and coffee. But usually when an adult eats coffee, they just eat coffee with nothing. Yeah, but I don't. I'm waiting for my friends to come. Oh, they should be here in a minute. I thought the adults were supposed to come first. Well, I was over there.